I gotta rip out this seat. So this side just kind of came apart. Oh yeah, it's wet. Oh fuck. Okay. This should be like a clip. Ow. That was my head, if you heard that. And then it feels good. Yeah, this looks like it should be a clip. Oh, there we go. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright, let's see what we're dealing with, huh? Look at this shit. Fucking magnets. Oh, okay. This rear seat is probably gonna be trash. Underneath, it's definitely wet. Go ahead and finish yanking this fucker out. And it's being hung up by something. Oh, the seat belts. Duh. These you can just press in. Oh yeah, it's real fucking wet. That's not good. Okay. Add that to the pile of shit. And then we got this. Yeah, man, look at this. Okay. Shit. Trident gum. Look how... Yeah, God. Oh, and there's gum in there, too. That's disgusting. Okay. What else can we find? Show me the money! Show me the money! We got a balloon. Wood chips. Leaves all fucking soaking wet. More Trident. Oh, little Valentine's. A special Valentine for you. An M30 that's really, really wet.